Check summary again. Okay, so far so good. Click OK. Okay, so you can see the gas reservoir is ready. All right, and also I will connect well 1 with the well model 1 created in Prosper, and also for well 2, well 3, and well 4. All right, open the well 1. You can see the label is well 1. Name mask is included in system. You can type in any comment here. I will comment well 1. Okay, well type, I can change it to gas producer. Model VLP IPR intersection. Okay. Use volumes for red model. And again, I will browse and connect this well one with the actual Prosper model that I have created. All right. Okay, so this is the model. Tank connections okay. IPR and VLP still invalid. We will create or we will generate the IPR and VLP later in the GAP software. No constraints, no controls, no downtime, no conning, no schedule. Check the input. Pressure drop control, none. In this control, IPR, yeah, we need to input some numbers in this IPR, but we can skip it for now. VLP, if you have a VLP file, you can connect it here. Conning, we can leave them blank. Constraints, downtime, tanks, yeah, we connect the well with gas reservoir model. Schedule, we can leave it as it is. Results, later on we will have the results written here after we run the model. Okay, so still we need to input the data here, especially in IPR and VLP. Okay, IPR and VLP, and in IPR we have IPR layer, more, and grid view. Okay, we can skip it for now. I will connect the rest of the 3 wells with the Prosper files first. Click OK. You can see well 1. And I will do that also for well 2, well 3, and well 4. Okay, well 2. Go to summary. Connect with my well 2 Eng-Man. Open. Okay, later on the IPR and VLP. Click OK. All right. And also well 3. Go to summary. Browse. Okay. Find the well 3 Eng-Man. Open. Valid. Okay. Well 4. Browse. And then well 4 Eng-Man. Valid. Okay. So far, so good. I will check it first. It is actually gas producer. Okay. Double click. Gas producer. Okay. Gas producer number 4. Okay. All right. So almost ready for these 4 wells. Let's check if we open or double click this line.